for the... Now you can see in the satellite picture behind me, we've had a few more thunderstorms already this morning. There are more on the cards for this afternoon. We'll start with a look towards northern Scotland. Could be some heavy thundery downpours here, could be some very gusty winds as well. But head further south and west towards the Glasgow area, towards Ayrshire, Dumfries and Galloway. I think some warm, hot sunshine here. Head further south across the country and it's always central and eastern areas more prone to some pretty heavy thundery downpours in places, but they're very hit and miss. You may not see one, but when you do, there is a risk of hail, thunder, lightning, some gusty winds as well. Not quite so torrential weather as we head further west. Just the odd shower for Devon and Cornwall and also across Wales. So some sunny spells here, 28 high in Cardiff. Further north to Northern Ireland, well, here too I think at risk of some heavy thundery downpours as well. So there is the potential for some flash flooding in places through this afternoon. But the other main story really is the heat wave. As Sophie said, hot weather continuing for eastern England through today and tonight. So tonight, another warm, sticky one, I'm afraid. Temperatures really won't drop that low overnight. Most of the showers should tend to ease away though, leaving us with just some mist patches in places. But towards the south later on in the night along that south coast, we could see more heavy thunderstorms working their way up from France. Let's take a closer look then into what happens during the day tomorrow. Could be a few showers first thing across parts of Devon and Cornwall, also in towards Wales as well. I think in general a little bit cloudier perhaps here through the day. Further north we go, and it looks as though Northern Ireland too a rather cloudy start to the morning, and there will be the chance of a few showers around. These though I think mostly light, certainly lighter than the torrential downpours we could see this afternoon. If we look over towards Scotland, a rather disappointing start for some. Again, very misty and murky around many of the coastlines towards the northeast, the Northern Isles as well. Further south, well, I think some sunshine on offer across much of England first thing. But again, a very warm, sticky start to the day. There will be a few showers around across parts of East Anglia and the southeast first thing. And tomorrow really could be a repeat performance of today. By the time we get into the afternoon, central and eastern areas of England and also Scotland prone to some pretty heavy and thundery downpours. Further west, fewer showers, but I think more in the way of cloud starting to nudge in here. And a sign that those temperatures are just starting to get a little bit lower, because it looks like Friday should finally see something less humid moving into the west, although a rather cloudy day with some drizzle for Northern Ireland. Most places though I think fairly dry, and finally I think the weekend, Sophie, looks like it